Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. This is FX Ninja. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how this system works perfectly, how it works, how you can pick trades with this powerful and amazing system. There is no doubt that this system is the best system on the internet right now. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now. Also click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload video content like this, you start getting updates, start getting notifications. Okay, now the major reason for doing this video is to show you this new and amazing system for forex trading, how it works. You can see right now on our $500 account, you can see the ongoing trades. So I'm going to be showing you how I was able to pick the signals from this using this system, so that you also can be doing the same. You can see we are on $243 profit right now. See all the trades are in profits. All the trades are in profit except the trade on Hero card, okay, which will also go in profit very soon. Let's check the trades one by one. Euro NZD, if you look at Euro NZD over here, we are on 261 pips. Okay, 261 pips on Euro NZD. On AUD USD we are on how many pips? 46 pips. You can see the way we took these trades. Let me close this so that you get to see it clearly. You get to see it very well. You can see this system, it's very amazing. Unlike the other system, or unlike the other indicators that they give you buy sell, no, this system gives you a trend continuation signal, just like what you can see on here. Look at Euro USD also. You can see the signals. So how was I able to pick these signals? I'm going to show you right now. Now if you want to use this system, very simple. The first thing you are going to do is to go to your 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Now I'm on 4-hour time frame right now on Euro USD, and what I'm going to do before I pick any trades on 1 hour or 15 minutes is that I'm going to look at the last signal that was being given on 4 hours. The last signal that was being given is what? Is a sell signal. It's a sell signal. So the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. So having seen that there is a sell signal here, then I go to my 1 hour time frame and I start picking sell signals. As you can see, I start picking sell signal. So if I'm picking a trade from this side, let's say I'm entering it, I want to enter a trade here, what I'm simply going to do is that I'm going to wait. Once this arrow pops up, once the arrow pops up here, all right, on this candle, I'm going to wait for the closure of this candlestick, then enter my trade on the next candle. As simple as that. So once you are able to do that, your stop loss will be at the last swing high. Your stop loss will be at the last swing high of the chart. So over here now, my last swing high is around here. Okay, let me use the horizontal line right now. It's around here. This is my last swing high. Okay, so my stop loss is going to be around here. All right, having seen that, so I'm going to look at it. Okay, I took the trade from here. And I'm going to measure how many pips to my stop loss. We have about 55 pips right there. 55 pips right there. So I'm going to target the same. I'm going to target 55 pips again. Okay, going downward, that is how you use the system. You can see it did around 60 pips right here. So it is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So you don't have anything to fear. So you can see that I'm having it's going to hit profit right here if I have entered this trade. So the same also with this signal over here. You can see my stop loss will just be above here, around this side. My stop loss will be around this side. Of course, you can see risk to 1-to-1 reward ratio. You can see that the trade is perfect. You can see. So if you are picking this trade, your stop loss will be behind here, around here. Your stop loss will be here. Okay, I'm still going to do more videos on regarding this system. You can see also for this system right now, although these are our take profits, because our top stop loss is going to be around here, and right now we are way down 60 pips. This has done 75 pips already before the market is taking its reversal. Right now you can see what is happening in the market. So this system also works on Nasdaq. It also works on Nasdaq. As you can see it on Nasdaq, it works very well on Nasdaq. It works on gold. It works on every PA. Even it works on cryptocurrency. I'm still going to be doing more video regarding that. Look at the signal we'll take on Euro card. Okay, Euro card is still in loss. We took the signal here. Okay, I intentionally want to show that because it's in loss. We took the signal over here, and of course, just like I explained, our stop loss, you see where we placed our stop loss will be around here. So the price is yet to hit that stop loss, and of course we have another signal here, so we're still expecting huge profit from that. So this is how we trade it, guys. Look at we share this in our channel, in our Telegram channel. This is on USD card. We shared this before it was being taken. Right now it is on 24 pips right now. Of course it has hit profit over here. It has hit our take profit over here. All right, that's it. I'll take profit over here. So I'm going to be closing some of the trades very soon. So this is how this system works on Euro AUD. You can see we have a signal also on that. We have a signal. I think this signal was being taken on 15 minutes on the Euro AUD. Yes, it was being taken on 15 minutes, because you can use this. I'm going to be doing more videos on how you can use it on lower time frames from 15 minutes upward. So this is the system, guys. Very amazing system. Very amazing system. You can see all trades in profit. The account is growing very well. So if you are interested in this system, all you need to do is to go to the description of this video you are watching right now. Once you get to the description, you will see a link on how to join our Telegram channel. Then you can talk to the admin and you get your own copy of this very amazing system. Don't miss out of this system, guys. It is very powerful system. On this system you can see that like I said, it gives you a continuation of the trend. It doesn't give a buy and sell, unlike other system that they use they code with a zigzag indicator. No, this is not the same with those ones. So this one is, you can see it can give you a continuation signal, just like what we have here. So if you are interested, guys, just hit me up and get a copy for yourself. Once again, this is FX Ninja. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel to watch this amazing video. To come your way again, be profitable.